Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Docker Compose on Debian VPS for WebStack step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Debian VPS via SSH. You can use a terminal or an SSH client. Run the command to update your package list. Type sudo apt update and press enter. Next, install Docker by running the following command. Type sudo apt install docker.io and press enter. Once the installation completes, enable Docker to start on boot. Use the command sudo system to enable Docker and press enter. Now, start the Docker service. Execute sudo system to start Docker and press enter. Verify that Docker is installed correctly. Run Docker version to check the installed version. Next, install Docker Compose. Download the latest version of Docker Compose using curl. Type sudo curl l https://github.com/docker/compose/releases/latest/download/ make the Docker Compose binary executable. Type sudo chmod +x/usr/local/bin/docker compose and press enter. Check the installation of Docker Compose. Run Docker Compose version to confirm it's installed. Create a new directory for your WebStack. You can name it my_web_stack. Navigate into the directory using cd my_web_stack. Now, create a dockercompose.yml file. Use the command nano dockercompose.yml to open the text editor. In the file, define your services. For example, you can set up a web server with Nginx and a database with MySQL. Add the configuration and save the file with Ctrl+X, then Y, and press enter. Return to your terminal and run your Docker Compose setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.